Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to pay HDFC credit card bill using credit card. So, first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and open up the HDFC bank application in your device, or if you don't have that, just simply go to Google Play Store over here, and after that just simply go to the search button and go to the top, and from here just search for HDFC Bank and just simply download it over here. So once you open it up guys, you should be able to simply sign in into your account, or if you don't have an account, just simply create. So guys, just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen to proceed. Just simply go ahead and tap on menu on the top left corner of the screen. It will be a three lines icon, and after that a side tab will show up, and just simply go to pay. And once you are on the pay, just simply go to cards, and from there you should be able to select your credit card. You should be able to see a button there called pay, so go ahead and click on that in the credit card bill category. And from there, guys, just simply provide the amount and tap on continue, and a pop-up will show up on the confirmation. And from there, just tap on confirm. And after that, you should be able to successfully pay your credit card bill, and you should be able to see the receipt. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.